How to edit YouTube videos after upload. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube Studio on your device. Then, in the YouTube Studio on the left side, click on Content. After you click on Content, you'll find all your videos pop up. Click on the video you want to edit. After you click on the video, on the left side, scroll down and click on Editor. After you've clicked on Editor, you'll find these options to edit. You can click on Trim option at the top to trim the video, which is the plus button beside Trim and Cut. Click on it, and then you can trim the video from the first or from the ending. You can also split it by simply moving the cursor in the middle and then clicking on the plus button again, which will select the area to split. You can trim any size and press on the tick mark after you're done. Then at the top, click on Save. After it's saved, you will also find other options, which is Blur. There is two options, Face Blur and Custom Blur. You can select them and blur anything you want in any shape, as you can see. You can also save this after you're done editing. After you've done that, you can add audio as well by clicking on Audio. Also end screen, in focus. After you're done, you can press on Save at the top and everything will be edited. This is how to edit YouTube videos after upload. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.